Introducing the brand new 2022 Ford GT64, the Heritage Edition Supercar. Ford introduced the 2022 GT64 prototype Heritage Edition Supercar, which is inspired from the original 1964 Ford GT. The price of the Heritage Edition Supercar and its manufacturing units are not yet revealed. As an honor to the original 1964 Ford GT Supercar, Ford has introduced the 2022 Ford GT64 prototype as Heritage Edition. Recently, this Heritage Edition car in its original livery was revealed at Monterey Car Week. 1 second before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. The new Ford GT64 Heritage Prototype Edition is painted in Wimbledon white paint combined with antimatter blue accents. The 20-inch carbon fiber wheels are also painted in antimatter blue and silver finish for the Brembo brakes. GT's performance characteristics are the same as before. There will be no changes made with power. The new Ford GT is powered with the twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 660 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. The vehicle can sprint to 96 km/h from 0 in a mere 2.8 seconds. It will reach the speed of 160 km/h in 6 seconds. The Heritage Edition car's top speed is 350 km/h. The interior is finished in carbon fiber on the door sills, A-pillar, and center console. The carbon fiber seats are finished in Lightspeed blue Alcantara clothing, same as on the dashboard. Headliner and steering wheel are clothed in ebony Alcantara. Ford GT Program Manager Mike Severson has revealed that this model honors the earliest of Ford's supercar heritage. The Ford GT64 Prototype Heritage Edition is a modern interpretation of the original, with no mistaking what this car is paying tribute to, he stated. The price of the Heritage Edition Supercar is not yet confirmed by the brand. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.